Welcome aboard, everyone. I am Cadet Villanueva Neil Justin B. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of maritime communication, the emergency spoken signals used at sea, distress, safety, and urgency messages. Whether you're a maritime student, seafarer, or just curious about how ships communicate in emergencies, this is the video for you. So, set your course and let's get started. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park. Call sign, Charlie Echo Lima 05. MMSI number, 0402017787. Position, latitude 43 degree 59 decimal 2 minute north. Longitude 013 degree 28 decimal 9 minute west. We have collided with an unknown vessel. I am flooding below waterline. We require immediate assistance. I will launch 2 lifeboats with 13 people on board. Over. Panpan, panpan, panpan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is 0402017787 Motor Vessels Park. Call sign, Charlie Foxtrot Lima India. Position, latitude 55 degree 67 decimal 3 minutes south. Longitude 018 degree 30 decimal 5 minute east. Engine failure. Vessel adrift in traffic lane waters, requesting assistance to monitor and advise on close proximity vessels. Crew actively repairing engine. No immediate danger to life or vessel at this time. Stand by for further updates. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park. Call sign, Charlie Echo Lima 03. Navigational warning. Listen to VHF Channel 06. Out. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park, Motor Vessels Park. Call sign, Charlie Echo Lima 03. Unlit drifting object suspected to be a container sighted at position 14 degree 25 minutes north, 68 degree 15 minutes east. Object poses hazard to navigation. All vessels in the vicinity are advised to exercise extreme caution. Out.